Welcome! In this updated guide, we will explore how to fix Snapchat login problems. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve issues with logging into Snapchat. 1. Recover your Snapchat password. If you are having trouble logging in, try recovering your Snapchat password through the password reset process. 2. Check your username or use email phone. Double-check your username and consider using your email or phone number associated with your account to log in. 3. Verify if your account was hacked. Look out for signs of hacking by checking for any email notifications from Snapchat about account changes or asking a friend to verify your username on your profile. 4. Clear cache and data. Clear the cache and data of the Snapchat app on your device to refresh the app's data storage and potentially fix login issues. 5. Restart the app and try logging in again. Restart the Snapchat app and attempt to log in again to see if the issue persists. 6. Check Snapchat server status. Verify the status of Snapchat servers to ensure that any login problems are not due to server issues. 7. Update the Snapchat app. Make sure your Snapchat app is up to date by checking for and installing any available updates from the App Store. Updates often include bug fixes that can improve the login process. 8. Restart your device. Reboot your device to refresh its functionality and potentially resolve any underlying issues affecting the login process. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Snapchat login problems.